Rajim Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi, welcome to my channel. So today I will discuss about hand wrinkles, also face wrinkles. So whenever face wrinkle and hand wrinkle start, how can we manage and how can we treat? What are the causes and what are the treatment? So I will discuss with you what is the reason behind the causes and treatment, how can treat it. Can stress cause wrinkles? Yes, stress also cause wrinkle because high amount of cortisols are stress hormones can break down the skin collagen and elasticity. Stress also cause inflammation and impair the body ability to repair itself. It means it reduces the ability of your skin to recycle and regenerate. So stress is very dangerous for us. Will vitamin E help wrinkles, preventing or treating fine lines and wrinkles? Vitamin E also moisturizes more wrinkle than well moisturized skin. Dry skin Dry skin tend to look more wrinkled than well moisturized skin. The moisturizing benefits of vitamin E help the skin look more young, youthful and less wrinkled. It also prevent or treat wrinkles unsupported by scientific evidence. How can I remove wrinkle at home? Natural wrinkle treatment at home. Aloe vera has good ability of healing process. Bananas contain natural oil and vitamins that can boost skin health. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that help create collagen in the skin. But vitamin C are not stored in your body. It will pass out from your body. There are many questions in our mind. How can I make my hands younger? Manage stress. I also discuss about cortisol hormones. Manage stress. Apply hand cream. But hand creams and lotions are very harmful for our skin because in which have many chemicals are present. So sometime it will helpful for you, but after some days it will damage your skin after some time, because at a time it will moisturize your skin, but it will will kill you bacteria from your skin. On your skin there are many bacteria, symbiotic bacteria are present on your skin. Symbiotic bacteria are mutual relationship are in mutual relationship in your skin. Bacteria and fungus are both are present. Bacteria use some amount of dead skin, it will use, but after some time it will decompose, and best product of bacteria use fungus. But both are mutual relationship, they are benefits to give and take process. We are using most of time hand wash and face wash. We remove friendly bacteria from our skin. When we are most of time rubbing your skin, your face, so we will kill friendly bacteria from your skin. So now, how can I reduce wrinkles on my hand naturally? Aloe vera is very good things for your. Aloe vera has malic acid which has elasticity agent. It reduces the sign of aging, wrinkles, skin thinning. You will apply 15 minutes a daily. Now we will use some home treatment on your skin. Banana is very helpful. Banana is loaded with iron, zinc, potassium, magnesium, vitamin A, B and E, which can reduce wrinkle and boost your skin. It will manage your skin and also your hand wrinkles and most of things. You can also apply your skin and also you can eating. We should eating fruits and vegetables. They are very rich source of minerals. It will take your skin fresh look. Olive oil nourish the skin with vitamin E. Olive oil have vitamin E and fatty acid that elastic in increase in collagen formation and helping fade wrinkles. You can use olive oil with ghee and apply at night time. Your skin will fresh. Olive oil for beauty. Soften your hands, cure hangnails, strength nails, care soft shining. You can apply your skin and also you can eat. Treat dandruff, diminish wrinkles, prevent wrinkles, relieve dry skin, soothe itching skin, remove makeup. I have also uploaded face acne remover method and blackheads removal method naturally at home. First, now hand wrinkles process. You can take first dry powder of your sugar powder and in which add coconut oil and you will doing massage. You are doing massage at your hand. After 15 to 20 minutes leave it and then wash and dry. Most effective home remedies to manage wrinkles. Coconut oil help restore skin elasticity and may help fade wrinkles. Vaseline petroleum jelly lock moisture, make the skin appear plump, minimize wrinkles. Egg white have skin tightening effects, many minimize the appearance of wrinkles line. Aloe vera is rich in vitamin E and exhibit anti-inflammatory antioxidant properties, may help relieve dull skin and reduce aging sign. Honey moisturize and balance the skin. You can use honey with lemon juice. Both mixture are very soothing effect for your skin. You can apply and try